Welcome back. Today, I'm showing my custom 18650 lithium battery charger built on a custom PCB. Right at the start, you'll see a quick test so you can check its performance. I've added a handy switch that lets you stop charging anytime, giving full control. This charger is capable of charging 4 batteries at once, efficiently and safely. So let's learn how to build this project and watch it in real action. A 6-layer PCB is more than just extra layers. It's about better performance, cleaner signals and higher reliability. With 6 precision copper layers separated by high-quality dielectric material, these PCBs are built for modern high-speed electronics. Now, let's talk about the most common 6-layer PCB stack-up. There are several possible layer arrangements, but this is the most widely used configuration. If you're into PCB design, you've probably heard about multi-layer PCBs. But have you ever wondered why 6-layer PCBs are used and how their stack-up improves performance? Ordering PCBs here is even easier than online shopping. You simply upload your design files, choose the color, select the thickness and place your order. Once you place the order, your PCB is manufactured and ready within just 24 hours. What I really love is that you can track every step of your project in real time. Their service speed is truly impressive. From manufacturing to delivery, JLC PCB ensures your PCBs are shipped and delivered to your provided address within just 3 to 7 days. We receive a PCB box. If you're a new user, don't forget to use the link in my description to get an exclusive $30 coupon. Make sure to check it out. And friends, I have to tell you, when I first saw this PCB, I was genuinely impressed by its quality. The finish, the precision and the durability are outstanding. What's even better is that it comes at a very affordable price. To build this project, we've gathered all these components and with them we'll bring the project to life. So let's start by carefully placing each component on the PCB in the correct direction. Alright friends, now it's time to place all the components onto our custom PCB. For this project we are using TP4056 charging module, which is perfect for safely charging our lithium-ion batteries. Once all the components are in place, we'll move on to the soldering process. We'll begin with the front side, making sure every joint is clean, secure and has a smooth finish. What I really love about this PCB is how well everything is organized. You can easily see exactly where each component needs to go. The silkscreen markings clearly show the correct orientation for every part, which makes assembly super straightforward. After completing the front, we'll flip the PCB and solder the back side with the same precision and attention to detail. By following this step-by-step method, not only do we ensure the PCB is fully functional, but it also looks professional and neat. As you can see, we have carefully completed all the soldering work. Next, we have an XT60 connector, which we'll place on the PCB precisely like this. After that, we take a self-locking switch. All the switches will be properly positioned on the PCB, and their soldering will be completed meticulously. Remember, the stronger your soldering, the more reliable your PCB will be. Soldering is a critical part of this build, so we ensure it's done perfectly. Here you can see that the soldering of the self-locking switch is also complete. Finally, we have the battery holder which we use to charge our battery. This has been securely mounted and soldered as well. Now everything is ready, and we are about to move on to the final testing of our fully assembled PCB. To test this project, we are using 4 lithium batteries. Let's insert them one by one into the battery holder like this. Once all the batteries are in place and project is now ready for testing, we connect the charging cable, and as you can see, our custom PCB circuit is working perfectly. The charging has started immediately. Here, 3 batteries are fully charged, so their green LEDs are lit, while 1 battery is still charging, indicated by the red LED. On the side, you can use the switch to lock or stop the charging at any time, which makes it safe and convenient. So what do you think of this project? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next one. Take care and love you all.